Welcome to INFERNO, an initiative funded by the European Commission under the Horizon Europe framework. INFERNO is a 36-month project led by 6 partners from 3 European countries and aims to develop a system to turn industrial waste heat into electricity with an innovative design strategy. High-temperature industrial processes are inherently energy-intensive. A significant portion of this energy input is dissipated as waste heat, representing a substantial economic and environmental liability. Current waste heat recovery technologies struggle to efficiently operate within the extreme conditions and volatile environments characteristic of these high-temperature industries. The INFERNO project addresses this critical need by developing a novel hybrid solid-state system for efficient waste heat recovery and conversion into electricity. This innovative approach integrates thermophotovoltaic cells, a meta-surface collector, and thermoelectric generators into a single modular system. The INFERNO project will implement and validate 3 pilot demonstrators within real industrial environments. This rigorous testing will provide critical performance data and demonstrate the technical and economic viability of the technology. By establishing a novel framework for the design, modeling, and integration of solid-state energy harvesting systems for industrial waste heat recovery, the INFERNO project contributes significantly to the advancement of sustainable manufacturing practices. This technology has the potential to significantly reduce energy consumption, decrease greenhouse gas emissions, and enhance the competitiveness of energy-intensive industries. The INFERNO project represents a significant step towards a more sustainable and resource-efficient industrial future.